Welcome to my Fetching Art channel. Learning how to draw is a rewarding and enriching process that can improve creativity, observation skills. It encourages you to really look at the world around you. Here is a beautiful drawing of the painting. You draw different paints in different colors. It creates an amazing look and then blend all the colors by different shading. After that, draw different and amazing sky. Drawing helps in visualizing ideas and expressing emotions, opening up a space for creative thought and exploration. The practice of drawing improves hand-eye coordination and precision, benefiting overall motor skills. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. You can draw different things like seeds and grass with purple flowers. Start with a range of colors. Focus on drawing and painting the outline of the object. Gesture drawing captures the action, motion, or position of the subject. Mastering shading brings depth and realism to your drawing. Use a grid to break down a reference image into smaller sections. Drawing is a skill that improves with practice. Start with simple exercises and over time challenge yourself with more complex subjects. Learning to draw is a journey that takes time and dedication. Thanks for watching this video.